Good morning, everyone. So in last session, we have learned how to construct push down automata. I have uploaded 3 videos and you all have watched it, and I have also uploaded one assignment number 5 for you. And it's good to know that all of you have completed it and uploaded it on the Google Classroom. Today we are going to learn few more push down automatas. So let us go ahead. Now we want to construct push down automata for the language WCW raised to R, where W belongs to AB star. So basically this language contains which kind of strings? It contains strings like null. W raised to R is reverse of W. So this language contains null, ACA, BCB, ABC, BA. So basically C is a special symbol. Before C there will be a string W, and after C there will be a reverse string of W. So if you call W as AB, then W raised to R would be BA. So my string would be AB, C, BA. If you consider W as ABB, then W raised to R will be BBA. So ultimately your string will be ABB, C, BBA. Ready, here I have shown you one example, but that example is I think wrong. Here I should write instead of A. This one is correct. So this is my W, which is AAB. So W raised to R will be BAA, and in between C is there. So first of all, as we have learned from last videos, we have to construct logic on stack. So what will be our logic? As I told you that we are going to use only if we use stack, we have only two operations, push and pop. So what we can do with this language or with this string? Take this string as an example. So my logic would be, I will push all the symbols which comes before C. Whichever symbol comes, whether it is A or B, I will push all those symbols on the stack until I get C in my input. Ready? So once A appears, I will push it on the stack. Another A appeared, I will push it on the stack. Then B appeared, I will push it on the stack. So I have pushed A, B on the stack, and then C appeared. What we'll do when C appears, we will not push anything, will not pop anything. We'll simply read this input symbol C and we'll change our state. Initially we were at state, let's say Q0. In state Q0, whichever symbol we are getting, whether it is A or B, we were pushing it. Once C has appeared, we will move from state Q0 to Q1. And once we reach in Q1, simply we have to match our input symbol with top of the stack. So when input symbol is B, my top of the stack must be B. If both of them are matching, I will pop top of the stack from the stack. So I will pop B. Then input is A, top of the stack is A, pop it from the stack. Input is A, top of the stack is A, pop it from the stack. At the end, if your input is null, means nothing is there. If your top of the stack is Z0, that is the accepting condition. Ready? So I hope you got the logic on the stack. So now we are going to construct PDA for this language. The logic is clear to you, I hope. We will initially be in state Q0 until C comes. Whichever symbol comes, whether it is A or B, we'll push it on the stack. Once C comes, we'll change our state from Q0 to Q1, and in Q1 state we will match top of the stack with current input symbol. If both of them are matching, we'll simply pop the symbol of the stack, and at the end, if input is null, top of the stack is Z0, we will accept the string. Ready? So let us build the PDA. This is very important question from exam point of view. So the first move will be, initially will be in state q0. Let's say our input is a, top of the stack is z0. What will be our move? If input is a, top of the stack is z0, and we are in state q0, what we have decided, we will push it on the stack. We will not change our state, so we'll push it on the stack, so that will become q0 comma az0. What another possibility can be, that I mean initially I will be in state q0, top of the stack will be z0, and input b comes, sorry, and input b appears. What we are going to do, we have to push it on the stack. We will not change our state, so we have pushed b on the stack. The next possibility is that I am in state q0. Assume my top of the stack is a and my input is also a. So what we are going to do, of course we are going to push it on the stack, so my stack will be like this. Now what another possibility can be, yes, I am in state q0, my top of the stack is a, but my input is b. Again, what we are supposed to do, we have to push it on the stack, so it will become q0 comma ba. Next, I am in state q0, but top of the stack is b and input is a. What we are supposed to do, we are supposed to push it on the stack, so q0 comma ab. Another possibility, that I am in state q0, top of the stack is b, input is also b. Again, what we are supposed to do, we have to push it on the stack. Now all possibilities which could arise in state q0 has appeared. Now another possibility is that I am in state q0, top of the stack is a, but input is c. This possibility may arise. What can we do? We'll simply change our state from q0 to q1, and at this point of time we are not going to push anything, we are not going to pop anything, so our state, sorry, so our top of the stack will be as it is. So before this my top of the stack was a, after this my top of the stack is a, which shows we have not changed stack. Next possibility, that I am in state q0, top of the stack is b, again input is c. Again, what we are supposed to do, we will simply change state from q0 to q1. We are not going to push anything, we are not going to pop anything. Simple. Now one more possibility can also arise, that if you just see that w belongs to ab star, so my w can be null. If my w is null, then my input will be c. So from the initial state I may get c as input. So from the initial condition, that I am in state q0, top of the stack is z0 initially. So if top of the stack is z0 and if c comes, then also we'll move to state q1, and from q1 we'll move to state q2. That we'll understand afterwards. So we'll simply move to state q1 z0. Now what we are going to check in state q1, in state q1 we have to match top of the stack with input symbol. So if input symbol is a, top of the stack is a, then we are going to, sorry, we are going to pop the symbol. We'll be in state q1 and we'll pop the symbol. Another possibility, that I am in state q1, input is b, top of the stack is b, q1 comma null, and we'll do this thing repeatedly, and the final condition is that I am in state q1, input is null, top of the stack is z0, we'll reach in state q2, will not push anything, will not pop anything, and our accepting state is q2. q2 is our accepting state, and here of course we have to note that all other conditions are going in non-accepting state. All other conditions are leading us to non-accepting state. So this is my PDA. Simple. Understood? I hope you got uh, how we have constructed this PDA, and you can easily understand that how strings of the language will be accepted. If you want to understand, then I can show it to you, but for that what I should do, I should copy this table to new slide so that you can understand it. Let me add a new slide. Let me copy that table here, but if I copy, let me decrease the size of the table. So here is the table for the reference, and here we'll see that how it accepts the strings of the language and how it rejects the string of the language. Suppose the string is I'm in state Q0 and the string is, let's say, AAB CBB A. This is my string, and the top of the stack is Z0. Obviously we want to check whether this string is accepted or not. Ready? So Q0A Z0, this move will be executed, which will push the string on the, which will push the symbol on the stack. So it will become Q0 comma A B C A A B B A A. I have to change this. I made a mistake again. A A B B A A. Yes. So A B C B A A comma A Z 0. So this will be the state. Next, I'm in state Q0. Top of the stack is A, and input is also A. So which move will be executed? Move number 3 will be executed, which will push A on the stack. So which will make Q0 comma B C B A comma A A Z 0. Then I'm in state Q0. Top of the stack is A and input is B. So Q0 B A. Q0 B A. So move number 4 will be executed, which says that push it on the stack. So Q0 comma C B A comma B A Z 0. Then Q0 is my current state, C is the input, and B is the top of the stack. So Q0 CB. Q0 CB is move number 8. So which says that you simply change state from Q0 to Q1. So I will move from Q0 to Q1. I have read symbol C, so I will not write it. So now my input is BAA and my top of the stack is BAAZ0. Now in Q1, input is B, top of the stack is B. So Q1 BB move number 11 will be executed, which will pop symbol of the stack. So next will be Q1 comma AA comma AA Z0. Similarly, Q1 AA, again it will pop the symbol. So Q1 comma A Z0. This will go ahead again Q1 AA, which will pop the symbol. So Q1 comma null comma Z0. And if this is the condition, then move number 12 will be executed, which will leave us to state Q2 comma Z0, which is the accepting condition. Are you getting it or not? Yes. Now let us see if my string is simple C. So Q0 comma C comma Z0. You might have a question that why I have moved from Q0 to Q1, why not to Q2? You can directly move to state Q2 also, but in that case you must have few transitions in state Q2. Ready? So okay, Q0 comma C comma Z0, this is my condition. So according to move number 9, we will move to state Q1. So state Q1 comma null comma Z0, and here we'll simply move to state Q2 according to move number 12 and Q2 comma Z0. So this is how my string C will be accepted. Now what if the string does not belong to the language? Let's say my string is ABC AA. Suppose this is my string, what will happen? So I'm quickly going through. So Q0 A Z0, according to first move, A will be pushed on the stack, so B C A comma A Z0. Then Q0 BA, so B will be pushed on the stack, so that will make Q0 comma CAA comma BAZ0. Then Q0CB, so it will move from state Q1 Q0 to Q1. C has been read, comma BAZ0. In Q1AB, there does not exist any condition like this, so which says that string is rejected. This string does not belong to the language. So this is what the PDA for the language WCW raised to R is. I hope you understood this complete PDA. This is very important from the perspective of your exam. Uh, we'll learn more PDAs based on this in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.